Emily and I'm gonna be doing a full makeup tutorial on Priyanka Chopra's look in Cannes. So this is an inspired look that she did. I literally loved how she looked like. Goddess OMG. Like she just rocked the whole thing. Like I was so fucking like girl crush again. So as you can see, I have done this look. So if you're interested in how I did this look, stay tuned. So please keep watching guys to know how I got this look. So let's start guys on a happy note. First I'm going to be doing my skin prep with my I forgot to tie up my hair, so let's do that first using a clip. So that's done. After this I'm going to use my foundation from Maybelline. It's in the shade 320 and it's amazing guys. It's so amazing. You should try it out. Like it just blends off fill and you just use a bit of the product and see the results. Like it's amazing. So taking a brush, I'm going to just blend off, and with a mirror with me, blend, and you're just going to dab basically, and that's what you need to do. Blend, and you're just going to dab basically, and that's what you need to do. Blend off the skin that you really want to show. So that's what I'm doing right now. Now it's time for the baking part. So I'm just going to use Lakme product for this too, and Lakme loose powder that's available everywhere. It literally costed me around 180 INR. So yeah. Let's move on to the eyes. We are going to use Huda and MAC palette. So these are two palettes I'm going to use, and let's get started. So the first two colors that are there are going to be used for my eyes. The first one is going to be for base, and the second one is going to create a shadow. So it opens the eyes, and since my eyes are a bit smaller in size, so it just enlarges the eyes, and yeah. So for my eyebrow line from MAC palette, I'm going to use a shade, and let's see if it helps or not, or else we need to try some e.l.f. highlighter. So while doing this eye makeup, I was most engaged with my phone. So that's a thing. let's do my eyeliner part with Lakme liquid eyeliner, as I've used this like from the beginning, and this is really nice, guys, really nice. This is the most challenging part, I guess, in the whole makeup, and this is the most interesting part as well, because it's a bit out of the box for me, and I haven't tried this like entirely, so this is my first time. And having done with the other eye, this is the final look. Let's take a bit more of highlighter, elf highlighter, and just highlight the parts that are needed. Since my eye makeup is done, so let's just brush away the setting powder that was there. Quick, and that's done. So for my contouring, I use Maybelline stick. This is the darkest stick in their range. So what I like about this product is it's really creamy and it's really nice. To see the steps more properly, please do check out my other video that I have done. I'll put the link in the bio, and I guess it helps. So after this is done, I'm just going to take a brush and just dab the product so gently. Time for the lips. I'm going to use Huda lipstick, and this shade is from Huda Red Edition palette, and the shade is known as Fearless. I'm going to use my bronzer, just applying on some of the parts of my face. So that's done. Now I'll just set my face with the setting powder. So for my eyes to look a bit more bigger, I'm just going to use the second brown shade that I used for my eyes. So that's the final look, guys. And I almost forgot about my mascara, and I use Maybelline product, so Maybelline mascara. This is the final look. I am not wearing the dress that she wore, but something I just planned up, like just a crop top kind of thing, like a denim. And yeah, this is a very budget friendly thing, so do check out, guys, and if you liked it, do share, do comment. This is Ameli Rudra.